Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Just wanted to wish everyone a very happy Easter tomorrow. Today is Saturday, and just wanted to say that to all of my subs. Really appreciate it. This is the first time you've stopped by my channel. Subscribe. Sooner or later, we'll be able to camp again once this crisis has ended with the COVID-19. But I am sitting in my driveway, and I'm going to camp tonight right here. Take a look. Yes, I'm actually just sitting in the driveway, trying out my new portable fire pit. This thing actually works very nice. So we're just sitting in the driveway trying that out. I've got the camper leveled, set up. I'm going to sleep in it tonight. Cleaned it out today. It was a beautiful day here, so cleaned it out, dusted, cleaned the floors, gave it a good once over. Might as well, right? Nothing else to do while we're confined to stay at home. But beautiful day here. Flowers are starting to come up. So yep, on the homestead, everybody's doing well. I hope everyone else out there is doing well with the crisis. We're all healthy. Hope you guys are. Luckily, I don't know anybody that has COVID-19, so it is not in my immediate circle, which I'm absolutely very appreciative of for the time being. So on this Easter Eve, once again, from the Camping Family channel, everybody have a wonderful day tomorrow, and stop by again. Thanks for watching.